Today I hope to explain you how to replace display of Redmi Note 9 smartphone. You can see here, you can remove back cover just like this. It is very simple process. You can remove fingerprint just like this. After completion of that, it is compulsory to remove internal plastic coats just like this. It is very smooth and essential process. It should be removed each nail just like this. Each back covers should be removed internally and each parts should be removed. Now you can see phone case just like this. It is metallic case, but you have to see some impurities and glue particles just like this. It should be removed. This may take several times. You can do it smoothly. Don't add any pressure because sometimes this may be damaged to, it may be bent because it may be case to fixing display fixing process. You can do it smoothly just like this. It is very simple and smooth process. You can see here glue removing process. You can study this lesson materials. Now I have to clean it just like this using some brush. You can see here I hope to remove additional glue coat on the end of metallic cage housing. It is very simple and smooth process. You have to wait several times. You have to do it again and again. Now I hope my mission is basic cleaning process is completed. Now I hope to introduce new display. I hope to remove additional stickers just like this, unwanted sticker particles just like this. It is very simple process. You can see here. Now I hope to attach it just like this. I hope to clean just like this. It is very simple process. I hope to turn on this phone, but it is not turned on. It means it has some issue. Battery is not charging because customer has given me empty battery, low battery. I hope to attach plug cable, power cable just like this. It is very simple process. It may take several times because you can check on this display after completion of turn on phone. You can touch here and there. You can identify touchability. You have to wait several seconds because this is not turning on because battery is not enough. It is not a problem because I hope to clean back cover also just like this. You can clean each nook and corner just like this. It is very simple process. I hope to turn on the phone because it may take several times because I think this is not this phone has not error. Therefore I hope to clean back cover again and again. I hope to attach some glue. I hope to use some glue coat just like this because display should be correctly fixed on this cage, metallic cage. Now I hope to smooth glue. Now I hope to remove stickers just like this. I hope to attach display into the phone. Now you can see it is completed. Sometimes this may be testing process because my process is compulsory essential process. I hope to add and attach previously removed coat. It means plastic coat, and I hope to attach camera and any other thing, any other circuits. You can see motherboard also. Now I hope to fix covers just like this. You can fix it using each nails because each nails should be fixed because it is depending on your, it is affecting to the phone's security. You have to attach it again and again. I hope to clean it finally just like this. Now I hope to fix back cover. After completion of that, I hope to turn on the phone just like this. You can Redmi logo is loading. It will take several times. Now I hope to attach rubber bands because sometimes glue and display should be combined together with cage. Thanks for watching my YouTube videos. I hope to request you to subscribe my YouTube channel to get new updates.